Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Parrot Bluetooth. First, make sure your Parrot device is fully charged and powered on. Many Parrot devices have a dedicated pairing button. Press and hold it until you see a flashing light, indicating it's in discovery mode. Next, grab your mobile phone or computer and prepare it to search for new Bluetooth devices. Keep both devices within a close range, ideally less than 10 meters, to ensure a strong initial connection. Now, let's move to the pairing process. On your smartphone or computer, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu. Initiate a scan for new devices, and you should see your Parrot device appear in the list, often identified by its model name. Tap or click on it to begin the pairing. If prompted, enter the standard 4-digit PIN, which is commonly 0000 or 1234. This establishes the secure link between your devices. Once you've entered the PIN, confirm the connection. Your Parrot device will typically display a solid blue light or a similar indicator to show it's successfully paired. On your phone or computer, the Parrot device should now appear as connected in your Bluetooth settings. If you encounter any difficulties, such as a failed connection or an incorrect PIN, try restarting both your Parrot and the connecting device. This often resolves minor communication glitches. To optimize your Parrot Bluetooth experience, consider a few advanced tips. Always try to maintain a clear line of sight between your Parrot device and the connected phone or computer. Physical obstructions can weaken the signal. If you're experiencing intermittent connections, ensure no other active Bluetooth devices are causing interference. Regularly check for and install any available firmware updates for your Parrot device. These updates often include improvements for stability and compatibility. Enjoy your seamless audio experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.